Let's start with this example today, just as a reminder. Okay? If we have 2 raised to the x plus 3 power, and that equals 2 raised to the 5x minus 4 power, what's true about these 2 exponents? If they both have the same base, what has to be true about the exponents? They have to be the same, right? So instead of writing the equation like it's written, could I just write x plus 3 equals 5x minus 4? Absolutely, right? So what happens if it says natural log of 2x plus 6 equals natural log of x minus 5? Okay? Don't those two things have to be equal also? So couldn't I just write 2x plus 6 equals x minus 5? Yes. Is it because I just magically dropped the natural log off? No. There's not any sort of magic going on. I thought logically about this, and I said, if the natural log of something equals the natural log of something, those two somethings have to be the same, don't they? Yes. Okay, so that's going to come up in some of your problems from tonight. The other thing I want you to think about is, yesterday we did some problems that said like log base 5 of 2 plus log base 5 of x equals 4. And the way we solved that was by condensing the logs on one side, so we had log written one time, and then we go to exponential form to solve it. So if it was starting in logarithmic form, we solved it by going to exponential form. Okay? What happens if it starts in exponential form? What do you think we would do? That's exactly right. If it starts in logarithmic form, I want to put it in exponential form. So if it starts in exponential form, I want to put it in logarithmic form. Okay? Those are 2 things that are going to really help you on your work today. Not a whole lot different than yesterday. There's some little things that are a little bit different, obviously, because that would be silly to do exactly the same thing for 2 days in a row. Okay? We're just building on what we've done for the last couple days, using the skills like condensing, expanding, using the skills like going from logarithmic to exponential and then back again, exponential to logarithmic, to try to solve these equations. Okay? That's really the only explanation you're going to get today. We're going to work on the problems for the rest of the period. Ask any questions if you have any, and we'll go from there. Okay?